flash red. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yo, the most expensive phone in the world being delivered to the richest man in Africa. Piece number 119 out of 500. Released this year. Mike Sonko. Sonko yuko wapi?
Wapi Sonko? Wapi mdosi?
Yeah. Oh, wamebini?
Yeah.
Well, umeamka aje? Sasa ni 4 am. 4 am on the dot. Okay. Let me come and welcome them. Okay. Wake up, start.
Jane, mambo, unadhani Dubai imenimaliza Unaweza kupiga mamiza? Nilisema mamiza leo nimeweza.
My boss.
How was your trip?
Very good, bro.
Within 48 hours.
You said you want the most expensive phone in the world. Here.
Yeah.
You said you can afford it.
Kabisa.
I trust you can afford it and I believe you can afford it. Now look at this badge right here.
Yes.
Look at this badge.
What is
It's 119 here.
So this is the 119th piece.
Yes.
Out of 500.
In the entire globe, there are only 500 pieces.
So Galaxy X Trifle.
You're lucky number 119.
How many in Kenya so far?
Kenya none.
What do you mean?
Lucky number 1.
You mean the
Yes.
first one?
Fold 6, you're the first one. Fold 7, you're the first one. Trifold, what do you think?
One.
Of course, you're the first one.
How many pieces?
In
The
Kenya,
country currently is right
Zero.
now?
Zero.
This is the only piece?
the only piece.
I need one more for Mama.
Come on, my ear is stress. One more. Lutafanya, he give me for another 48
But
hours.
you have delivered this within 48 hours.
Yes, so another 48 hours for your wife. What? Full
It's
level.
not at the sum, eh?
What the fuck?
It's not at the sum, it's only daughter.
The opening.
Opening
unboxing.
Opening unboxing.
Of the only trifold, Galaxy trifold in Kenya.
Nikusort tu saa hii. Nikusort nikumalizie saa huu.
Lakini mdosi wapi pesa? Wapi pesa?
Basi nakupatia.
Yeah, of course.
Ndio kama ni bonoko. Ai si bonoko hii. Hii ni origi.
Ai, sibu ndo kwa sababu.
Lazima ni sample. Wewe huwezi sample. Jina lako ni kubwa bwana. Jina lako ni kubwa kushinda hizi simu 20.
Mdosi unapiga swag mpaka usiku manze. Swag 24/7 eh?
Na sisi sababu na kusort. So the price
You know,
the
man.
friendly offer
69,000. That's for you.
wow.
My good Lord.
This is the Galaxy Z Trifold. Z Trifold. Ati sasa naambia the only piece in Kenya, right?
The only piece in Kenya.
That is nice. So you can lead me from there. Someday you can lead me from there now. Or you put it on.
I'm gonna put it on.
You see the difference between that one and this one. It's a Chinese phone, huh?
Oh, that's the Huawei.
The Huawei.
Look at this.
Let me put my.
Can you compare?
Remember this gift package from Samsung? You delivered some 4 months ago.
Yeah, it's
So it's a 1 terabyte Fold 7. Here. This is the Fold 7, the 5. Is it 12 GB?
yeah, from 12 GB.
Then you
That's the 1
you
TB.
sold me this one. Then
Yeah.
you supplied from Samsung as a gift package. And here is your money for the Trifold 7.
Oh,
You said how much?
money makes the world go round.
This is not wash, right? It's not flash, right?
Man,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
9,000.
9,000.
Here, this is the money we make. 41, 42. You see the serial list. 43, 44, 45.
We are the only Samsung authorized dealer in the region. We're talking about the only Samsung franchise partner.
Imagine it's 408, 409 a.m. and you're still awake, my friend. Very hard.
If I need to be up at this time to make some cheddar, I'm gonna do it.
And bastards like Ramuguna are just shouting, piga makelele, big mouth, nonsense. Guys are making money, clean money.
But let me tell you something. Call me and I deliver a phone at 4 a.m. It's just you. You know why? Bro, come look at this. All these are Samsung Galaxies.
Yeah.
Look at all these Samsung Galaxies. So if someone calls me at 4 a.m.
You are forgetting you sold me this is the first one.
I remember.
This is the first Galaxy, the one. First one. Remember?
Nakwambia uko na
Galaxy 1. Hata haiko stock sahi.
hawezi pata.
Na still inafanya kazi.